So my family and I are going to Costa Rica for a month, and we rented out our house so that we can pay for our expenses while we're in Costa Rica. My house is 2 bedrooms. I am renting out one room and locking the other room and putting all the kids' toys in there and all the other personal belongings that I don't want someone else to be rifling through. Nothing important though, that will be taken out of the house. So the tenants will only have access to one bedroom out of the 2, but they have access to the full house, kitchen, living room. So a couple weeks before we leave, we're going to be cleaning the house, painting, minimalizing, decluttering, so that it's Airbnb ready. I know this sounds kind of crazy, but this is a great way for you to go on vacation for free or make a little extra money for crushing debt so that you can go on vacation next year or put towards investing. You don't always have to rent out your house and then go to another country. You could rent out your house and maybe stay with a family member for a week or 2 weeks, whatever works out for you and whatever works out for the season. Check out Airbnb and type in your address, a type of house that you would be renting out, and see how much income you could be making.